Yo, it's your boy RV Skill with Solutions. You know what it is. Hey, listen, I'm coming back with another dope video about Builderall. It's all-in-one platform for your marketing needs. You know what I'm saying? All-in-one platform. Listen, they extended the promo right here, as you can see. They extended the promo or whatever. Get lifetime monthly pricing now before it's too late. Lifetime monthly pro. So let's see. Let's see what that's all about. Okay. So everything you get for a lifetime. And you know what I'm saying? And I say this to be true because like I got the premium membership, everything for the premium membership. And I done had Builderall for quite some time. And they never went up on the pricing. You know what I'm saying? I got the premium membership. So when they say, listen, they gonna, honor them for that pricing or what have you, lifetime pricing, listen. Listen, they do for real. Like I said, I got the lifetime price, and I'm just trying to see what this other thing said. But listen, you know what I'm saying? Tap in, tap in. Like, you know what I'm saying? And you get a 14-day free trial. So you get a 14-day free trial. You better tap in. You better use it. Try it. You know what I'm saying? You better tap in with me, and I'll be able to help you do some things. If you just want to get in and try it and just want to learn some things, tap in with me, and I help you. You know what I'm saying? Whatever project that you're working on, so you can understand how powerful, Builderall is. You know what I'm saying? And listen, like, share, subscribe. If you like the content I'm bringing, like, share, subscribe. Go look at some other videos about all the different tools about Builderall. But listen, today we're gonna go with the webinar tool. This is the webinar tool, which is a great tool for you can it's all in one. You don't got to get I think it's Web Jam and nothing else because everything is right here in Builderall. And this is the webinar tool. You know what I'm saying? Make your next webinar a success by getting much more engagement, views, and sales. So it's essential to generate big sales. The webinar is the right strategy choice for your business, right? You know what I'm saying? You can build an evergreen webinar. You can build a live stream webinar. You can do it all right here with Builderall. Right here with Builderall. You know what I'm saying? This is a little video that him talking about it, but you can't even hear it. I don't think it come on, but you choose your webinar type. As you can see, you upload your video. It's how easy it is to do. You know what I'm saying? Copy it. And then once you go to your web page, you can throw it on your web page. Just like this. That's the web page. So this was an evergreen webinar, looks like, right? Build your professional webinar in minutes. It don't take long to do it. It's easy to do. You know what I'm saying? This is another view of the webinar. You know what I'm saying? This is the evergreen webinar. And you can put the buttons down there and everything. Look just like any other webinar. You know what I'm saying? And this is the live stream, almost like Zoom. This is like Zoom, as you can see. You know what I mean? Where you can live stream. You know, build secure group meetings, just like Zoom. Like I said, you know what I'm saying? Don't leave your customer without an answer. Fully integrated with the tool. The included chat feature is customizable and allows full control of more features and rules. You know what I'm saying? Full control. Like I said, like the last video said, you can SMS message. You can do that right there inside your the webinar builder. You know what I'm saying? You can do it right there, where you can keep people up to date when the webinar coming. You can send them a text an hour before, 5 minutes before. You can keep them up to date, right? Fully integrated videos with quality and security. Choose between platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, or choose maximum security with the video manager tool. Yeah, so I showed y'all about the video manager tool. The only drawback about that tool, to be honest, that I just got to be clearly honest on that, is that the videos you only when I uploaded a video, it was like 12 or 13 minutes, and it acted kind of weird on the actual webinar platform. But once I put it in the video manager tool, it can hold a bigger video. Like it hold like three gigabytes, I think it is, or what have you. But in the webinar builder, it don't hold a big file, so you got to put it in the video manager, which is still on Builderall. You still don't got to go nowhere. It's still here. You know what I'm saying? It's still here, but that's the one drawback that kind of rubbed me the wrong way a little bit. I think that the file should be a little bit bigger so you can actually, because like webinars be like 50 minutes, 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So I wish that was a little bit bigger to hold it. But they got the video manager. So right here, I can't even talk. Like the last video, I had the video manager and I showed y'all how to use the video manager. So that's the best place to put your videos if they some larger videos. If you're doing like an evergreen video. If you're doing live streaming, just go right to the webinar, webinar builder or what have you. Much more than a sales funnel, professional and customizable, the most complete webinar system that will boost your funnel sales. You know what I'm saying? Yep. So that's the webinar. You know what I'm saying? The webinar app that we have in Builderall. Engage your list and send reminders. Like I just said a little while ago, you can send reminders and everything. You know what I'm saying? Webinar digital technology. That they doing live class and things like that. So they just showing you the different pictures of how the webinars can look. Engage your audience. You can even edit event ghost users. So say if you don't have a lot of users, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people haven't logged in. You might have 2 or 3 people. You can put a ghost user event to where it's a list of people that'll pop on at certain different times, and you can add the comments to it like they're in your webinar. Some people might think that's that's deceiving or what have you, and it's pretty much like social proof, just to get people engaged and start communicating inside of the chat. That's what I think is good for, or what have you, just to get people to talking, because sometimes people don't want to ask questions, they don't want to talk, and sometimes you can use the ghost user to ask questions and things like that people that might want the answer to in the webinar, and then by you putting that in there, you will answer that question. You know what I mean? Then that'll get other people engaged and start talking and asking more questions in the chat or what have you. You know what I'm saying? So like here goes the chat. So you can ask someone, they can come in at 20 seconds. Hi, how are you, and things like that. I'm tuning in from this place. So you have a ghost audience. Some people use it. Some people might think it's like deceiving or something, or whatever the case may be. But it's like almost like a social proof, especially if you have a good product and you beginning. You just want people to feel comfortable that somebody else is in there. And as long as you're giving great value, I don't see nothing wrong with it. Now, if you're trying to deceive people to get in there and you're giving them trash value, and then you got a trash product, then you know what I'm saying, you doomed anyway. But if you got good product, you know what I'm saying, good morals behind what you're doing, you're gonna be just fine. You're gonna elevate your business. You know what I'm saying? Customizable webinar rooms. So you can customize the rooms and everything. It's fully customizable. Fully customizable. The best strategies, customizable registration forms. Everything is customizable. Upcoming webinar. You know what I'm saying? Building the best events. Everything is customizable. And you can also live stream to Facebook and YouTube. You know what I mean? You can live stream to those different platforms. You know what I mean? So which is great when you're going live. Instead of, you might not want to be inside of the builder. You might want to go live on YouTube, because you might get other people that's on YouTube that might want to tap in. Plus you gonna probably upload some of your stuff to YouTube anyway. So at least they can tap in. You know what I mean? Or whatever with your webinar. People that normally didn't even know about the webinar, YouTube will probably send some people, your way once you going live. You know what I'm saying? So that's the best thing about the webinar builder. And then let's go and see what the pricing is. It's on a premium plan. It's the only plan that the webinar builder is on for $247 a month. It's on the premium plan down here at the bottom, right here. Webinar builder, video hosting. You know what I'm saying? So to get the webinar builder and the video hosting, you have to get the $247 plan. And guess what? If you get it right now, the $247 plan, you don't have to worry about actually going up on price. Like I said, I had Builderall for a while, and my price is a real low price. You know what I'm saying? I get everything. I get everything. So if you want to tap in and don't have to worry about your price going up, listen, this is the best time to click on it. At least do the 14 days for free. You know what I'm saying? So listen, if you like this video, like this comment, like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Listen, I'm gonna go into the webinar, build it real fast, just so you can just see how how it look and everything like that. Let's see, click on it, and as you can see, here we go, webinar builder, right over here. And this it right now. So if you wanted to video manage, you upload videos over here. You got your streaming rooms right here, so you can start a live streaming by clicking that button. And these are the webinars that live and on demand room. And this the ghost user I was telling you about. You add, you got English names, and they give you all the different names. And then once you add it, then you can go to each name, and then let me see what I can do. You can add it, and then add new group. No, I want to add new group. Close. Let's just go. Let me see. Now let's just go. You got email sequences that you can set up and do. If you want to set up an email sequence, welcome email, add everything in there, save it. And then you can add another message and things like that. You know what I'm saying? Let's get up out of there. That's the ghost using it. And here's your recordings. You know what I'm saying? If you record a live webinar, they'll be right there. SMS, like I said, SMS messaging, you can add that in their sequence to be able to send messages to people. Close that out. That's the email, we did that. Video manager, we did that. The streaming room, we did that. My webinar, we did that. And that's the dashboard. And then if you want to create a webinar, you go here to create one. And then it's going to say live on demand room with chat or login, or it's going to be Evergreen or scheduled webinar. You know what I mean? You'll choose whichever one you want to do. And then it's going to take you through all the different steps. So we wanted to go Evergreen. We'll click this right here. And then you'll have a name. Let's put test. Oops. Let's see. And then you go to next. Then it says create your webinar. And then now you go in here and just start creating. You put your name. You want to have a password protected with the password. You're going to have different languages. You got English, Spanish, different languages. We'll stick with English, of course. And then you got content. So now, do you want the video to come from YouTube? Do you want to come from an iframe? Do you want to upload the video, Builderall Video Manager? Or do you want to go YouTube Live? You know what I'm saying? Them all the different options. And then for YouTube, you put the link. And then if you want to go to iframe, you embed the iframe link. And then upload a video, you upload a video. And then if you want to go to the Builderall Video Manager, you go there, and then you'll click that's controls, and then you'll click on where is that you want to count down, and then you'll put the URL right there. And then if you want to go YouTube Live, boom, you got to connect it to YouTube, and then you can go live with YouTube, right? And then you got the webinar room appearance. Don't display. You have social proof, like, okay, this person just joined the room. They just clicked on the ball some. Same thing like Ghost Trial. You got social proof that does. It's kind of the same thing. And then you put an image here. You have a video or image that go right here. And then you got a cover. You got a custom CSS. And then you got the back timer appearance. You can do all that stuff. And then you got the email settings. You know what I mean? Require email to log in. You can do that or not. And then you got all the email settings. Then you got the forms down here. And then let's put test. And then this the form, your main form. You know what I'm saying? URL navigate after user subscription, where they're going to go. Data collection, Sleepy Social. And then, email notification. Email sequence to send to subscribers, users. Don't send. So, SMS, you know what I mean? Once you got all that set up, email, phone number capture. You want to get the email, get email and phone number, email list to send to data. So you choose your email list to send it over there, right? And then you got the style, the classic, and everything like that. And you can, change a bunch of different things. Then you get your embed code if it's an Evergreen webinar, and go create your funnel and add it to the Evergreen. Add it to your funnel. So it can be an Evergreen webinar. You can add buttons to it, so you can buy something from the Evergreen webinar, everything, right? You know what I'm saying? And listen, all this stuff is right here in Builderall. Everything is in Builderall. And if you need help with building anything out, I got you. Just comment below. You know what I'm saying? Like, share, subscribe. If you like any of this content, listen, go back and watch some of my other videos. If you want me to make a video on something else dealing with Builderall, just let me know, and I'll create a video for that. You know what I mean? Because I just want you guys to get all the different information that you might need to make a sound decision with Builderall, or just to help you, grow your business using the Builderall all-in-one platform. Again, if you need help, click the link below. Skillful Solutions. You know what I'm saying? And fill out the form. We'll get back with you. And, if you fill out the form so we can understand your business, so one of the team members can get back with you so we can know what direction we can take your business in when we do our first, 32-hour consultation, free consultation and everything. And then, and also click the link below and get Builderall 14 days for free if you don't already have it. And then take advantage of that, of the pricing right now. Unlimited the pricing, lifetime pricing. Take advantage of that right now, what have you. And listen, this your boy RV, and guess what? I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.